The award-winning fine arts programs at Perry Middle School offer your student a chance to be a part of a unique group of students who get to express themselves through the visual arts, acting, singing, and learning how to play a musical instrument. There is no experience needed for your student to participate in our classes. The different elective opportunities for your students include art, band, choir, orchestra, and theater. As a fine arts team, we work with each other to ensure students can be a part of multiple fine arts groups. We look forward to getting the opportunity to let you express yourself through the fine arts programs here at the historic DeWitt Perry Middle School.
At DeWitt Perry Middle School, our goal in our athletic program is to reach peak performance and development on the field and on the court. Now, off the field, we're looking to develop great character and great character traits. We want to teach grit, toughness, and also perseverance. One of our favorite phrases here at DeWitt Perry is fall down 7 times and stand up 8. We want to teach our students the real life connections that you get on the court, that some of the obstacles that you face in a sporting event can also apply to the things that you will see and have to overcome in the real world.
Athletics is really, really fun here. We're like family. The kids have a lot of fun. We enjoy coaching them. We travel to a lot of games. We play games here. Come out and support Perry.
Hi there. The CTE program stands for Career and Technical Education, and here at DeWitt Perry, it is our job to prepare students for their next step. We want to give students real-world experience here in the classroom. At the middle school level here at DeWitt Perry, our goal is to get our kids ready for high school academies where they'll learn and have many great experiences to propel them into the future. Specifically here in my classroom, we use design concepts and software, and even AutoCAD software that's used in high school, college, and even professionally in the real world.